अंगांना साहिजित नवी बसनटान तू पंच मार
because she's the one who made it possible for me to come over here. Actually, the event was supposed to be in the morning, and then she said, like, you know, ma'am, somehow you need to be over here. And the way she introduced me to you all is that a judo player, well, it was way back in the year 2000. So it was many years back, I would say. So it's nice to grace a function with someone who is a state champion, that is Nikhil Jain ji, and someone who's so much dedicated about boxing over here, which I have not heard much about and only known from Danushka, and that's her own father. And of course, it's not because he's her father, it's because he's been too much dedicated towards this particular sport, and that is Mr. Lenny Nigama. We have Mr. Nagvekar, Mr. Dabalji, and Mr. Mukesh Garwar. He has really rocked the show because at the moment, you know, she's like, you know, this particular song is going to be played over here. I first asked him, are you a player or are you a viewer? So he said, no, I'm not into the sport, I'm into the music. But yes, you have done a great work for this particular sport. I was talking to Mr. Joel Ji, by 1 o'clock, I think we had a discussion, and we were talking about as to how is this particular event and what is the participation. So what he spoke to me is that 274 number of our own Goan boxers are participating. So that's a big news, and it is again, you know, I would appreciate all the 12 coaches who are giving training. Of course, when they will be training this, I do not know how far they will be expecting from a government, but it's their dedication by which they are working in all the parts of Goa, and they have got these boxers over here and given this particular platform thanks to Prudent Media Group, who have been partnering with them and given this particular, I would say that it's almost not so much known. Everybody knows about boxing, but how much it has gone into Goa or how many boxers are there in Goa, it's not known by many. So I suppose Prudent has given this particular platform to all the boxers over here in Goa, and it's great to see the bout being played over here. And I hope that you are going to grow with this particular sport, and you are going to bring name not only to our state but also to our nation. So kickboxing. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is Nikhil Sen. We represent Veritas Sports. We're very, very happy and excited to be here in Goa. We as a sports company and a sports infrastructure company are already present in Goa in another format of rugby as well as other sports infrastructure. We are delighted to be part of the boxing in Goa itself and to own a team here. And I have to say, I don't know if many people know this, but I literally started boxing as young as you guys here, and I rose to state level boxing itself. So let's put it this way: Eye of the Tiger was the main theme for me. So, yeah. And moreover, I think I'm really happy to be here with the best half of the series. And delighted to be here with you, ma'am, and thank you for honoring us. I thank Joe Lewis and Fruit Media for getting us into this whole fold of things. And I have to say, not just Goa should not just only being about soccer, but I'm happy it's being about other sports as well. And thank Prudent to making boxing and known in Goa as putting it in the map as well in India. Being the state that it is, I'm very passionate as a sports, and I'm glad that youngsters are picking this up. It's fantastic for every aspect growing up. It builds character, your stamina, fitness, your all-around personality is developed in a sport like boxing, because ultimately it's all about never giving in, and ultimately that's what we need. The youth should never give in, and just happy to be here again, and I'll end it by saying, let's get ready to rumble!
मला सांगायला विशेष आनंद वाटतो की मी या स्पर्धेमध्ये टेक्निकल डेलिगेट म्हणून काम पाहतोय, परंतु अशी माझी पहिलीच वेळ आहे की महाराष्ट्राच्या बाहेर जाऊन एका राज्य अजिंक्यपद स्पर्धेसाठी टेक्निकल डेलिगेट म्हणून काम पाहणं, आणि मला अभिमान वाटतोय की गोवा बॉक्सिंगने खरोखर या ठिकाणी एक अतिशय चांगलं उदाहरण दाखवून दिलं आहे की जेणेकरून कुठल्याही बॉक्सर्सच्या मनामध्ये शंका राहणार नाही आणि सर्व डिसिजन्सच्या बाबतीत ट्रान्सपरन्सी राहील. कारण इथे जे काही ऑफिशियल्स आले हे सर्व ऑफिशियल्स कुठल्याही क्लबशी किंवा कुठल्याही बॉक्सरशी रिलेटेड नाही आहे, आणि त्यामुळे जास्तीत जास्त ट्रान्सपरंट डिसिजन्स येतील आणि त्यामुळे कुठल्याही बॉक्सर्सवरती अन्याय होणार नाही. आणि यासाठी गोवा बॉक्सिंगने हे जे पाऊल उचललं आहे त्यांच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून उद्या उठून संपूर्ण भारतभर देखील ही क्रांती जाईल आणि जास्तीत जास्त चांगले रिझल्ट येतील, एवढी मी त्यांच्याकडून अपेक्षा करतो. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट ही आहे की भारताच्या टेक्निकल अँड रूल्स कमिशनचे चेअरमनच तुमच्याकडे असेल लेंडी कामा, त्यामुळे त्यांच्याकडून हे सगळं त्यांच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून संपूर्ण भारत नक्कीच त्यांचं अवलोकन करेल. आणि विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट गोवा बॉक्सिंग. आज खरोखर तुमच्यासाठी फार मोठा दिवस आहे.
Korea boxing, Korea boxing.
In the blue corner, Sagar Rathod. Is red, one and blue. Round one.
cadets boxing perspective, what we have done is we've studied boxing, and we've found that if you train the boys from young, okay, and they will learn much faster and quicker than the other boxers. But in the beginning, it takes them a while. So they think boxing is aggression. And we too want aggression, okay, because modern boxing is aggression. It is a matter of scoring, okay, but with stamina. So what we do is we train the boys for aggression. We teach them the basic punches and then let them go into aggression. We do not teach them the uppercuts, the hooks, the various different punches, but just the left straight and the right straight. So they can go for the face, they can go for the stomach, but yet they prefer to go for the face, okay? Now, if you see a boxer, you will see him just standing in stance, and then at one go he goes. Yes. He goes continuously, tap, 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 and both the boxers go tap, 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 till one boxer feels the heat and then puts his head down.
Or turns his back around.
Yeah. So, well, this is for the beginning.
So it's common all
It
over.
is. It is common all over. But I would think aggression is okay, but you should also teach footwork.
Absolutely.
You know, the Cubans start with footwork. The Cubans, and what they do is, you will see them turning. If you ask the Cubans, what is your secret to good boxing? And they will show, point your fingers down, and they will say, twist.
So our boys in Goa especially, the coaches need to teach them footwork as well.
Exactly.
For that age group of under 12.
Exactly. For the 10 to 12,
We are lacking
we should teach them footwork and aggression. Okay? Mix both together. Mix both together. Then when they come to the junior age, then you teach them all the different blows, like the uppercuts, how you bend and you throw the uppercut with a pivoting your thigh, which gives you more strength, into the blow. The hook where you bend your arm, you know, this doesn't come in the beginning. This comes only at the junior stage. But once they master that, it'll be very good.
We have with us Ma'am Sulakshana Sawant, the wife of Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Ma'am, we feel that in Goa, sports and education should get equal importance from the parents, and that could be the mantra for creating future Olympians from Goa. That's what we feel. What's your comment on that?
Yeah, let me first tell you that I'm here at a Goa State Boxing Championship 2020, and it was a pleasure for me being over here for this particular event and seeing around 274 boxers, participating in this particular event, and out of which 60 are women. Also, I came to know is that around 12 coaches are there who are there working all around in Goa, and they are the one who are training this. I suppose as a sports person and who have been a part of one of a martial art, and that's judo, I feel that at one point of a time a parent go to take a decision for a child wherein academics are chosen more over the sports. It may be because of parents go to see a lack of career options as far as sports is concerned. So I hope that the parents should have a broader perspective in first of all finding out about the child's interest. It may not be that every child is going to be a doctor or an engineer or a businessman or a interest or so-called in the career options of working something and getting paid for it.
Sports is one such thing which is sports, or I would say even other art activities like that of music or dance or that of art is looked upon not as a normal career options. So it is always seen as something which can be taken as a hobby or something which can be taken as a side activity. I hope that today's parents are learned enough. They know that the sports as well as music, art has to be given equal priority, and children are making good career in these fields also. I would request the parents to know their child, because I hope that when you come to know about the passion of a child, certainly with the interest that a child is going to take, certainly the child is going to make a very good future and very good career in that particular field. Proper boosting is required, and at the same time, if I go to see a state like Goa, we have few football academies which are there, but yes, equally we have to promote the other sports also, like how Prudent Media has done this time, that it has given a promotion to a sport like that of boxing, and this is how we came to know there are so many boxes over here in Goa. So I hope such kind of organizations also need to come ahead, and they need to come up with such event so that the sport is known to more people, and when they'll be recognized, there will be more people participating. Parents will also have a confidence that the child has a future in this particular sport.
Surely, and Prudent Media are doing our best to take the sport to every household, and I think when the parents see the efforts put in to the sport, I think that should change the mind, isn't it?
Right. Yes, I feel that when such kind of media groups, or I would say, as I have come to know that one of a franchisee has been taken, and they have taken one franchisee of a boxer. So likewise, there will be other organizations which will be coming up as their CSR activity, or maybe as an activity to promote sport. So this is how I suppose we can give a boost to many such sports which are not known to Goans, or which are played by less number of Goans, I would say.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Your unit, Uttam Blue, round one.
We have with us MD of Veritas Sports, Nikhil Sen. Nikhil ji, last time we met was at a rugby function. You have a interest in rugby. Now you are making a debut in boxing in Goa, and with Prudent Media's efforts, we are trying to put up a unique sort of a league in Goa. How has your approach been to this concept?
First of all, really thanks to Prudent Media for actually, getting this up and going, because I feel in any sport to succeed in India, the backing of a strong player, call it a kind of a father figure, if you will, in a sport is very, very important. A coach, if you will, is very, very important, because the dynamics of sports is a lot around sports as well. It's not just the sports. And to have that strength and the ability to channel and harness the sport and take it to its logical conclusion in terms of the ability for the sports to be recognized as a major sports in India, whether it's at a league system, whether it's at a national system or a state system, or even international, or even Olympics, right? So I think this is actually planting the seeds, the right seeds, in the right way, in the right season, so that at least over the period of time, it bears the fruit that it is supposed to. And I think this is really at a tipping point for sports, because it's not just about cricket, not just about soccer, and you have other formats of different sports as well, but boxing is something which is a very, it's a sport that I feel like all other sports builds a lot of character, a lot of stamina is required for it, and whatever happens in the ring, it really gives you the never given feel and teaches you never to give in. And I think that is something, as within the Indian ethos as a discipline, is very, very important and required, so that the new India that's shaping up also plays their sports and knows the meaning of never give in.
Absolutely. You've witnessed a bout here at the state championship as well. Goans trying to do their best, and we have succeeded in the past in winning medals at the national games and at the Asian level as well. So going forward, this is a huge year for Goa as well, in the national games year, and of course Olympics. India are looking forward to Olympics as well. So what's your view about the progress in boxing as a sport as well?
See, overall boxing is been a very, very old sport. It's been a sport that has been known all over. There have been good Indian boxers in the past as well. But I feel somewhere down the line, it has to become a level of a national, Olympic, international. We need to see a good Indian boxer right up there with the big guys, And I think this is where we are again taking the right step to do it. And I really feel that if you really persevere and put in the hard efforts, I don't see why not. In the next couple of years, you can see a good Indian boxer in the international stage.
Absolutely. Thank you very much for talking to us. Good luck. Thank you.